In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down in Google Forms in just 5 minutes. We'll go through each step carefully to ensure you have a smooth experience creating your form. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you'll have to enter your Google account details to access your Drive. Once you're there, you'll notice a vibrant, multicolored button labeled New on the left side. Clicking on this button will present you with a variety of options to create different types of documents. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Google Forms. This option is typically toward the bottom of the list, so you may need to scroll down a bit. Once you select Google Forms, you'll be taken to a new tab or window where you have the option to either choose a template or simply start fresh with a blank form. For this tutorial, we'll go with the blank form to give you a clear idea of how to set everything up from scratch. Next, let's give your form a name. Simply click on the untitled form name box at the top and type in a relevant title that suits your purpose. Naming your form helps not only in staying organized but also in ensuring those who receive the form understand its context quickly. After naming your form, it's time to add a question. You can do this by clicking on the plus icon, which stands for Add Question. This is usually found on the right hand side of the screen. An editable question box will appear, allowing you to type out the question you want to include in your form. Now, you need to change the response type to a drop-down. To do this, click on the multiple choice option, which is right next to your new question. A list of question types will appear. Select drop-down from this list. This setting provides a clean and concise way for respondents to select answers without overwhelming them with endless options. With the drop-down option selected, start adding your options. Type each option in the provided fields. Be clear and concise with each choice, as this will help your respondents make decisions more conveniently. You can add as many options as you like, depending on the nature of your question. Once you've added your drop-down options, click the preview icon, which looks like an eye. This allows you to see and experience the form just as your respondents would. Make sure everything looks the way you want it to, ensuring the drop-down functions properly and that all your options appear. Finally, if you're satisfied with the setup, hit the send button. You have the choice to share the form via email, link, or embed it into a web page, which is referred to as publish. This completes your process of creating and sharing your form. And there you have it, creating a drop-down in Google Forms is that simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great day.